Good morning, friends. Today for social studies, you guys are going to be watching a video, and it's a Netflix series, Read Aloud, and it's the book titled I Am Enough by Grace Byers. So you're going to watch that read aloud, and you guys are going to be finishing the sentence and uploading a picture of your work. So the standard that we are working on this week is I can feel good about myself without being mean or making other people feel bad. So what you are going to do is, sorry, wrong screen. You are going to watch this read aloud, and then you are going to finish the sentence. I like my blank because blank. So today you're going to be talking about something that you like about yourself. And then tomorrow you're going to be talking about something that you like about someone else. So the lesson that we are focusing on or trying to learn today is that it's okay to like yourself and to like things about you. But it's also okay to like things about other people and to tell them that you like those things and to be kind. So go ahead and watch the video, and then when you're done, write the sentence, I like my blank because blank. So tell me something that you like about yourself, and then upload a picture of your work where it says click here.